In this video I'm going to be installing the JBL Club 6520 speakers. Now they're a 6.5 inch car speaker I'm going to be installing in my own personal boat. Now I've installed probably 14 to 16 JBL Club speakers, from the 3.5s, 4x6s, the 6x9s. I think they're one of the best bang for the buck speaker you can buy. They're not very expensive and they sound awesome. Now you can get better speakers, but you're going to pay 2 to 3 times as much. So we're going to do an unboxing so you can see what they look like. I'll take them out of the box. And then we're going to install them. And then I'm going to give you a little bit of a sound demonstration. And hopefully by the end of the video, it will determine if you're going to purchase these speakers or look for something else. So let's get them opened up and check them out. And there's the instruction manual. And here's the actual speaker. Looks like we got a grill adapter. And there's the actual speaker. They're very nice looking speakers too. It doesn't matter what size of the club speakers you get. Now this is the first 6.5 inch of the club speakers I've ever installed. Like I said, I've done just about every other size and they all sound awesome. There's the grill. So I expect these to sound just as good as all the other club speakers. Like I said, I have installed other high-end speakers in the past, and it seems like you just about have to pay probably double to get the same quality as these JBL Club speakers. And let's see, looks like we have an install screw packet there. And that's everything in the box. Oh, we got something over here. Oh, we got some gasket material. Alright, so I'll start pulling the speakers out of my boat, and we'll be installing these, and then we'll hear what they sound like. Alright, so I have this speaker over here all installed. That's what it looks like. It's just a hair smaller than the factory speakers, but that doesn't matter. It looks pretty good. The one on the other side, I left the grill off, so you guys can take a look and see what that looks like. Alright, so this one is connected, but I left the grill off so you can watch the woofer. Just going to play quick little music here. I'm going to turn the volume to maybe 25%. And you guys take a listen and see what you think. So that's with the volume at about 25%. The bass on these is very, very tight. Like I said earlier, I've installed several of these club speakers, and as with these, I'm just shocked at how good they sound for what they cost. They're not dirt cheap. They're not $30 speakers, but they're not $300 speakers either. Now I've got another song for you I'm going to play that kind of highlights some guitar picking, and when it starts out, you can actually hear the guitar pick hit the strings. So take a listen to this one and let me know what you think. Alright, on this one, listen to the crisp highs on this song. Now, the other amazing things about these speakers, the bass is extremely tight. It's good deep bass, and also the treble or the highs is super clear as well. Now here comes the next one. Like I said, I think that highlights the, you can actually hear the guitar pick hitting the strings and the clarity of the highs. Like I said, if you want good Cheap speakers, you can't beat these JBL club speakers. They're just probably some of the best bang for the buck. If you're looking for something else, I also like Rockford Fosgate. I think they're almost as good as the JBLs. They're quite a bit cheaper, but the JBLs are just a hair better. So I hope you learned something from the video. Thank you for watching.